Right after unboxing your Galaxy Watch Ultra, you will find this watch strap that you need to attach and fit before you can wear and use it. So we'll show you how to install it, and if you want to change the original one, you will see how to remove the band so you can replace it with another. Now before you go, make sure you'll need to put on the smaller part at 12 o'clock or when the multifunction button is at the right side. To install the band, flip the watch, hold the strap so the connectors are facing up. Now push the strap firmly towards this opening so the middle part is pressed towards the midsection of the opening. When it's locked, you'll hear a click sound. Now if you find trouble putting on your strap like this way, you can attach the band by pushing this button, because it's easier that way. And the longer part will go to the other side if you wear your watch on your left hand. And follow the same process to put on the band on the other side. Now if you want to remove the band, maybe you want to change it to another, first make sure about the measurement of the band that you will find at the back of your watch. Now to remove the band from your watch, press the same button we've shown you earlier, and then gently pull the strap away from the watch. It'll come off easily, don't worry. And that's how you can attach or take off any strap or band from your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching.